The C-200 machine has a large paper cutting capacity. It is delivered with a wooden base to protect the machine during transport. A nylon base is also delivered together with the machine to be used as a cutting base. The C-200 is totally manufactured in Spain, following European regulations that warrant its quality standards. All machines have a serial number for easy identification during lasting life. Die cuts are manufactured exclusively for C-200 machines. These die cuts have a hole-through in order to help positioning and image register during cutting process. Before using, the cutting press must be adjusted using the chosen die cut. The cutter must be placed on top of the printed paper foils. For a proper adjustment, we will do a test on a single paper foil. We will place it on the nylon base together with the die cut under the machine's central lever. We pull the lever until the plunger reaches the top of the die cut, and it will be adjusted turning clockwise until it contacts the die. It is important to make sure that the lever is pulled to its lowest point. Once it has been adjusted, we will release the lever and give an extra half turn to the plunge, clockwise again. We test the cutting process. If the cut is complete and perfect, it means the machine has been properly adjusted. If the cut is not complete or perfect, we will need to go through the adjustment process again. We must pay attention to the fact that if too much pressure is given to the die cut, this will get stuck into the nylon base. This will not be comfortable to operate the machine and will ruin the material and shorten its lifetime. Once the adjustment has been settled, we will tighten up the screw on the plunger so it does not suffer variations while operating. Now the machine is ready to be operated and provide a proper and easy cut of the paper foils. We take the paper foils to be cut and register the die cut on the selected image. We place it down under the press and we pull the lever, giving a little pressure on the handles. This way the machine works for you, providing the required power to the paper to be cut. Paper foils are totally and perfectly cut. Unlike most other machines, the C-200 has a great cutting capacity due to the nature of its mechanics. We can cut around 50 paper foils in one single time and with minimum effort. A warranty for cutting out large productions. Thanks for your attention.